To charge your Xiaomi Sound Pocket Bluetooth speaker, just use the charging cable that comes in the box, or really you can just use any Type-C cable. All right, so it could be a Type-C to Type-C or Type-C to Type-A like this one that comes in the box. And once you connect one end of your cable to a source of power on your Xiaomi Sound Pocket, you want to go to this orange strap, and then you'll see this little door. So you want to just dig in a bit and then open up this door, and you'll see your USB-C charging port. Now just plug in the other end of the cable into the port. Simple as that. And once that light turns red, it means the speaker is currently charging. Now you can tell how far you've charged. If you go to your phone and check the Bluetooth settings, you can see the connection of this speaker. You can actually see the battery percentage of your Xiaomi Sound Pocket. All right. Thanks for watching and good luck.